The gun laws in the United States vary from state to state, and it's important to whatever state that you go to live in, or go to visit, even just to visit relatives, that you understand what the laws are within that state. Specifically to the state of California, for example, and it's fairly typical to most states, is that people are allowed to carry a gun, believe it or not. You can carry a gun, but it cannot be concealed and it cannot be loaded. So you ask yourself, why would I want to carry a gun? Right? I can walk around with a gun on my hip in the state of California as long as it's not loaded, as long as it's in public view that people can see it. Well, that would be silly to do. But that's the way the law is. If you are carrying a concealed weapon, where it's hidden, whether it's loaded or not, that's a crime. Okay? If you have been convicted of a crime and you're carrying a weapon, that's a crime. If you were to point a gun at someone, that can be a crime. Now, if you're on your own property, defending yourself or your own property, that's one thing, and that has to be investigated. But for the most part, the average person walking down the street in California does not have a gun. And the police, most police officers in the United States are armed. In some countries, that's not the case. In the United States, it is. Most police officers are trained and they are armed.